Hello everyone, my name is Praveen. So today we will discuss like how to get a job in AWS cloud or some clouds. So AWS cloud, there are few services which are very important. There are a lot of services in AWS cloud, but few services which you needs to be have. We will be starting with EC2, S3, S3 glaciers, auto scaling, load balancers, right? Apart from that, RDS, CloudWatch. So all these services, IAM security, all these services are must have. Then after you also need to have Python knowledge, basic Python shell scripting knowledge you should have. And once you complete all these things, you also try to implement your project. You try to connect this on Docker, Kubernetes, right, Jenkins. So if you have this, so it will be very easy for you to get a entry in industry. So all these services you can do online, and if you want offline classes, we are providing offline classes here in ITC. It's in Gurgaon. So basically, we will be starting with one-on-one. We will be providing one-on-one classes. So all your doubt will be clear. If you are from non-technical profile or some other profile like mechanical, electrical, and some other profile, but you want to switch in cloud computing, then you can come to us. We will be providing classes, and the classes will be one-on-one. And after that, there will be projects. And once all these complete, we will be definitely sending you for some companies. There will be a job assistance. Thank you so much. For any other queries, you can comment us below. Thank you.